Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone needing to repair their DJI Phantom 3 drone. Specifically, the center board, also known as the motherboard or main control board. This particular part is designed as a replacement for the DJI Phantom 3 Standard, 3 Advanced, 3 SE, and 3 Pro models. It's manufactured by Bullcast and is presented as a brand new, high-quality component intended to get your drone back in the air if the original main board has failed or is damaged. The description highlights that this replacement board features a reasonable design, which is said to make it easy and convenient to install and remove. It's positioned as a wonderful replacement for a broken original part, promising to ensure a long lifetime and better work performance for the drone once installed. As a core repair part, its primary function is, of course, to ensure the drone works normally again after a malfunction related to the main control system. However, there's a very important detail mentioned that potential buyers absolutely need to be aware of. While the design is called reasonable and easy to install remove by the description, it's absolutely critical to note that the listing also explicitly states this repair requires professional maintenance experience. This isn't a simple plug-and-play swap for the average user. Replacing the main control board involves intricate work inside the drone, dealing with sensitive electronics and connections. Therefore, despite any mention of ease, this is a task best left to experienced drone repair technicians or individuals with significant expertise in electronics repair. Attempting this without the necessary skills could potentially cause further damage to the drone. The purpose of this Bullcast replacement board is clear: to serve as a direct substitute for the original damaged parts, restoring the drone's functionality. It's a vital piece of the drone's internal architecture, controlling flight operations and communication. When this part fails, the drone is essentially grounded. Having a reliable replacement available is essential for keeping these popular Phantom 3 models flying. The manufacturer Bullcast provides this specific model, the Bullcast 106, as their offering for this repair need. It's presented purely as a repair component, focusing on restoring the drone's normal operation. So, if your Phantom 3 is suffering from issues traced back to the main board, this Bullcast replacement is the part you would be looking at, keeping in mind the professional skill required for installation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.